took a flight for the paddock. Used to be all so dramatic, I guess. Anything you want, boy, forget it. You just make me feel I took a chance and you grabbed it. You said don't worry.
And I bet you thought this was my hair. You cannot tell me this is not my hair. 220 grams of hair. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel or welcome back. My name is Kelsey Ray and today we are doing my very first crochet install. I've never done crochet. As long as crochet been out, I've never tried it, but this is my first time. And shout out to Hot Braids for sending me this beautiful hair. It is beautiful but yet easy to install, like beginner friendly, and I am a beginner. This is my first rodeo and crochet been around for so long, but Hot Braids got like an upgraded version to where it's so easy to install, so easy to manipulate, it's so easy to style for your day-to-day life. So definitely, if you are excited and interested to see what I got going on, definitely stick around. This is the texture 3C4A from Hot Braids Exotic Kinky Coily human crochet hair. This is not just synthetica, this is the real deal. And when I tell you the texture is beautiful, you could be relaxed, permed, straight, transitioning, and Hot Braids got a texture for you. Definitely check out Hot Braids, y'all. Chef's kiss. So this is what you will receive. It comes in a bag with a spray bottle, of course. I also got a tote bag, which I've never received a tote bag before. Usually it's like lashes from hair companies, but that was clutch. And this is the hair. This is truly one full bundle of hair that will go on your whole entire head. You do not need much. That's why they upgraded, so you won't have to get multiple bundles. It also comes with all of the tools you need to crochet this hair. So this is how it comes. This is their upgraded Kinky Curly Exotic hair, and you literally only need one bundle. Like this one thing is gonna be on my entire head. Isn't that crazy? All you need is one. So this is what we working with, y'all. So really quickly, I do want to show you my braid down pattern. This is what it's looking like. I have this leave out in case I want to do like a middle part. And I have my perimeter left out, as well as the nape of my neck. I just kind of sewed the braids in the back just to kind of keep them steady and still. So for the install, I'm going to use my hook. I'm going to take a piece, your center piece, the feathered part of the part where there is yarn at. This is the part you want to crochet through, and you don't want the curls on it. You want it on this part. So you're going to get your hook it, sift it through the braids, and then pull it out. But let's do it. So I'm going to take this hook, put it through my hair, grab this piece, and I'm just going to go between the thread. So use the thread to hook it on, not the hair. The thread, I think, is on. Close the latch, pull it through, but not all the way, enough for you to grab it, unhook it, put 2 fingers through, slide the hair through, make sure it's evenly on it, and boom, first crochet. So once again, you can use your finger to like touch where that first one was to give it a space, stick it through. Grab your hair, loop it on the hook, close the latch, pull it through, grab it like this, hold that, and pull through. It's easier for me to show you than explain, but it is super, super easy. Feed it through, grab the needle, put the thread through, close the latch, sift it through, get the hair, and boom, voila. That is so tea, right? And you want to keep going around your whole head, but you don't want to put too much hair in one spot. So use the tip of your finger to like guide each loop maybe, and that'll be better. But also don't stay in the same spot. So keep going down and down and down. And I'm going to continue and work my way through each braid, and then I'll be back with a progress report. when I say that one bundle fit my entire head plus some, I literally was trying to find places to put the extra pieces. So now it is time for my favorite part. Let's define these curls and blend my leave out with the rest of the hair. You don't need that much leave out. That's how fire this hair is and so voluminous. You really only needed like a slither of your hair out, but I took that much. LOL. So I'm just gonna section off the hair and start with the back to detangle. And for my styler, I'm going to use water, gel, and mousse. It truly doesn't matter what water, what gel, and what mousse, as long as you're using it. Hold the hair when you're detangling it because it's latched onto your braids and you don't want to tug at it. Grab your hand, go up, and keep going. Now for some mousse. And then I'm just gonna add a little bit of gel to hold that curly cast. I'll take that much gel and I'm just gonna focus it pretty much on the ends of the hair. That is juicy and beautiful. Y'all, that is one side detangled and this how much was detangled out of it. So little to no shedding, literally. All right, last section. I love the way this texture looks, y'all. Look at this hair, y'all. So for my leave out, I'm gonna do the same thing. Water, mousse, and gel. Like, you can't tell me this is not my hair. You cannot tell me this is not my hair. Now I'm just adding the gel and raking it through my hair, but raking my hair through this hair to where you don't see where my hair is. Is that straight? Y'all, I got a middle part, a bust down. All right, so about that much. And just trim it just a little bit. All right, y'all, so this is the hair dried. It's not fully dry, but it's drier for the most part, and you can see a little fluff in it. So beautiful. All right, let's style her. Half up, half down. So beautiful. Wait, but I could also just, I could put it in a bun. Like, is this my hair or what? Wow. This curly, messy bun, look at it. I think half up is my favorite. Comment down below. Half up, half down, all down, or in a bun. And y'all, this hair is definitely reusable. The takedown process is very simple. All you have to do is undo your braids. And as you're undoing your braids, the crochets are gonna just slide right out. And you can literally reuse this hair. And I love that so much about this hair. I do have a discount code for you guys, KEHB. Use that at checkout to get you some money off, okay? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. I love you, bye.